Hey there, cybersecurity for beginners. What it is, how it works, and why you need to know more about it. All about that in this video. Before we start, click the subscribe button and delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity. Also, click on the bell button to get notifications and be the first to see our new content. The first thing that you need to know about cybersecurity is that it is a state of mind, just like everyday security. The difference is simple. Everyday security has become an instinct. You do a lot of security-focused things without even noticing them. You avoid dark alleys. You walk to the other side of the street when you notice a suspicious character up ahead. You lock the doors. And it's not because you're paranoid, you're simply cautious. You need to learn cybersecurity basics in order to become as cautious online as you are offline. According to its most common definition, cybersecurity is the protection of computer systems and networks. But it's not about using the best cybersecurity tools. It's about using them the right way. A reinforced door won't protect you if you never lock it. Cybersecurity starts with changing your habits, especially password habits. Instead of using the same password for everything, you need strong and unique passwords for every account. Password managers are a great help here. They help let you keep all your passwords in one place. By upgrading your password security, you become safer than most internet users. That's right, it's that easy to level up. Next, you have to change your personality completely. Just kidding, but you do need to be more suspicious. Do not click on every link you see, and don't enter your credentials on shady websites. If you find an offer that's too good to be true, chances are it's a scam. Finally, there's a way to increase your privacy and security online. A VPN is a tool that encrypts all your online data. That means even if someone intercepts your internet traffic, they're not going to be able to see it. A VPN is an everyday cybersecurity tool, but it's especially useful for anyone who frequently uses public Wi-Fi hotspots, which are notoriously unsafe. Here's the best part. You can get a great deal for NordVPN, the world's leading VPN. Check the link in the description or click the card. What's the cybersecurity conscious thing that you know you should be doing, but you don't? Make sure you tell us in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more all about cybersecurity. And here are some of our other favorite cybersecurity videos that you might enjoy. Stay safe.